Wishing you all a happy Environment Day. And the theme of the Environment Day of the year 2021 is to reimagine, recreate, and restore. To represent this, I have made a poster. Have a look at my poster. This is how my earth is looking now, and this is how I want to recreate my earth. And to recreate this, all of you must maintain some guidelines. Those are to use sanitizer, maintain social distancing, put your mask, and don't roam outside unnecessarily. Because lot of the frontline workers are fighting for us, we should support them by staying at our homes. I want my earth to be from this to this. Once again, wishing you all a happy World Environment Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.